Best body lotions and creams to hydrate and soothe skin. We all have a body lotion in our beauty arsenal. Whether it's a bottle you quickly picked up at the drugstore or a sleek tube that you researched for hours before adding to cart. We all use something to hydrate our skin on a daily basis. But, is it the right thing? That depends on your preferences. A body lotion's key benefit is to bring hydration back to your skin. But these days, more and more formulas are delivering added benefits. From improving your skin's elasticity to reducing the look of cellulite, there's a perfect, multitasking body lotion out there for you. Best overall body lotion. VASELINE Intensive Care Advanced Repair Unscented Lotion. In our lab's moisturization study, this unscented lotion hydrated skin by 60% for more than 6 hours, which is one of the highest hydration levels our chemists have ever seen. And even though it was a powerhouse moisturizer, the texture was on point too. All of our consumer testers said it absorbed quickly and didn't leave skin feeling tacky. Best value body lotion. OLAY Quench Ultra Moisture Body Lotion. Even sweeter than the price is the smell of this lotion. The scent lingered in a pleasantly subtle way, shared one tester. It's infused with shea butter and vitamins B3 and E, and it's backed by the Good Housekeeping seal. Our lab also found that it improved the moisturization of skin by a seriously impressive 52%. Best body lotion for very dry skin. Dove DermaSeries Dry Skin Relief Lotion. Dove's lotion scored high in our lab tests for leaving skin looking and feeling hydrated all day long. The easy-to-spread formula boosted skin's moisture by a whopping 57% over 6 hours, making it a close second to our top pick's hydration power. Best fragrance-free body lotion. CETAPHIL Daily Advance Ultra Hydrating Lotion. A top performer in lab tests, this body lotion with vitamin E and B5 boosted skin's moisture by 54%. Testers loved that it spread easily onto skin and absorbed quickly without feeling greasy, but wished it made skin look as moisturized as it felt. Testers agreed that the fragrance-free formula is truly odorless, and it also comes in a rich cream for extra dry skin. Most popular body lotion on Amazon. CERAVE Daily Moisturizing Lotion. With over 8,000 reviews on Amazon, reviewers cannot get enough of this hypoallergenic body lotion. The lightweight formula is fragrance-free and loaded with ceramides and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and repair, and in lab tests, it improved skin's moisturization by 37%. Testers ranked it tops for absorbing quickly into the skin, and most said they'd continue using it. For extra dry skin during the winter, it also comes in a rich body cream form. Best lightweight body lotion. CURÉL Ultra Healing Intensive Lotion. This lotion is incredibly lightweight, but don't assume it isn't as moisturizing. Our lab results showed that the CURÉL lotion increased skin hydration by an impressive 56% over 6 hours. Our consumer testers also loved that it spread onto skin easily and left skin looking and feeling moisturized throughout the day. One of them summed it up best: "I liked pretty much everything about this product." Best body lotion for summer. EUCERIN Advanced Repair Lotion. You'll feel the effects of EUCERIN's lotion, as it was a top scorer for skin softening and long-lasting moisturization. It didn't have the highest moisturizing percentage, but consumers really loved the texture and spreadability of it. The lightweight texture is hydrating enough for warmer months without being heavy or cloying on the skin. Best body lotion for glowing skin. Mary Kay Hydrating Lotion. Of all the creams tested, this was the best at making skin look moisturized and smoothing ashy, flaking skin. It also had a pretty good moisturization percentage, 49%. And the scent might turn you into a believer. I liked the soft scent of the lotion even though I am not a fan of scented lotions. One tester shared, "Keep in mind, however, that the trade-off for that glow is that skin may feel a bit greasy." Best smelling body lotion. WELEDA Hydrating Body Lotion. While this one didn't moisturize quite as well as other options, 40%, it was a favorite among our testers for its vibrant citrus scent. One thing they didn't necessarily love was the consistency, which was a little liquidy. Best non-greasy body lotion. JURLIQUE Softening Body Lotion. Stop and smell the roses with this dreamy formula from JURLIQUE, which increased skin hydration by 46% over 6 hours. People loved how it applied easily onto skin, and didn't feel sticky or greasy.